The book of Revelation, chapter 2, verses 12 to 29. To the angel of the assembly in Pergamum write, He who has sharp two-edged sword says these things. I know your works, and where you dwell, where Satan's throne is. You hold firmly to my name, and didn't deny my faith in the days of Antipas, my witness, my faithful one who was killed among you, where Satan dwells. But I have a few things against you, because you have there some who hold the teaching of Balaam, who taught Balak to throw a stumbling block before the children of Israel, to eat things sacrificed to the idols, and to commit sexual immorality. So you also have some who hold to the teaching of Nicolaitans likewise. Repent, therefore, or else I am coming to you quickly, and I will make war against them with the sword of my mouth. He who has ear, let him hear what the Spirit says to the assemblies. To him who overcomes, to him I will give the hidden manna, and I will give him a white stone, and on the white stone a new name written, which no one knows but he who receives it. To the angel of the assembly of Thyatira write, The Son of God, who has his eyes like a flame of fire and his feet like a burnished brass, says these things. I know your works, your love, faith, service, patient endurance, and that your last work was more than the first. But I have this against you, that you tolerate your woman Jezebel, who calls herself prophetess. She teaches and seduces many servants to commit sexual immorality and to eat things sacrificed to idols. I gave her time to repent, but she refuses to repent of her sexual immorality. Behold, I will throw her and those who commit adultery with her into a bed of great oppression, unless they repent of her works. I will kill her children with death, and all the assemblies will know that I am he who searches the minds and hearts. I will give to each one of you according to your deeds. But to you I say, to the rest who are in Thyatira, as many as don't have this teaching, who don't know what some call the deep things of Satan, to you I say, I am not putting any other burden on you. Nevertheless, hold that which you have firmly until I come. He who overcomes and he who keeps my work to the end, to him I will give authority over the nations. He will rule them with a rod of iron, shattering them like clay pots, as I also have received my Father, and I will give them the morning star. He who has an ear, let him hear what the Spirit says to the assemblies.